Hey, Colin Broadwater back with you today, touring around San Luis Obispo County real estate, and today I'm trying something a little bit different. So I spied this really neat looking listing in Atascadero on the internet on our MLS, and sometimes you just see these listings up in West Atascadero that seem just like super special, very pretty, modern, all remodeled, priced right, and in just this really kind of special location up here in the West Hills. And I wanted to get up here right away to make a video about it. Oftentimes I see these kind of like really neat listings and I want to run out and make a video of it, but I just don't have the time to kind of fit in making a video about somebody else's listing. But today it looks like it's going to work out. So I'm here with some of my team, and we are going to give you our first impression of this new listing up on San Marcos here in West Atascadero. Okay, so making it up to the top of the driveway here. I can't really speak to curb appeal, right? Because it's a long driveway. So off the road, very quiet. Got a fountain here. And gosh, the first impression though of the exterior of the front, if we were going to talk about kind of curb appeal entry, it's pretty outstanding. Really good feel. Nice two-car garage here. Janelle here is the listing agent. She's been super friendly and welcoming for us. Another little fountain tucked away in here, and then this tile entry, super pretty. And then the kind of stair-stepped wall up here gives this kind of Mediterranean feel. But let's go take a look inside and see what the team has to say about it. I'm interested to see about in the listing description that says views from every room. So let's see about that. Holy mackerel. The interior is even better than it looks online. I am super excited to see what Becca thinks about the kitchen. But first, I'm just going to step outside and talk to Heather about how it's looking on the exterior. Holy mackerel. Heather, what about these views out here?
I mean, this is a gorgeous property all the way around, but the views are absolutely stunning. It's just over an acre, and a lot of the acreage is out front, so the backyard isn't really spacious, but the views are absolutely spectacular. And I love that the house is situated with the front facing west, because that's going to give you a wind block, because it definitely does get pretty windy up here in 3F Meadows. We recently sold a house just 2 lots down that way. They have an excellent windbreak, but the wind even does crest over and make its presence known. So that little nook right back in there is perfect. I love that you can see Three Bridges Trail. You can see downtown Rotunda building. It's just pretty spectacular up here.
All right, what an incredible exterior. And now I'm super interested to see what Becca has to say about this kitchen.
This kitchen is so gorgeous. I love this new counters with the waterfall edge and the gold finishes. I would probably cook pasta every night and make some macarons. And it looks like everything in the kitchen's been redone. So awesome.
All right, so downstairs with the kitchen and primary bedroom, pretty incredible. So far, the listing description rings true with incredible views from every room. Now we've made it upstairs, we're gonna have a look at the second floor with Jen. See what her first impression is. What do you think, Jen?
I love it, Colin. Private balcony, anyone? This is where I would be spending all of my time. Views for days. Imagine waking up, having coffee here, and winding down with a nice glass of champs at night.
Yeah, and how about the way it's situated with this big, the exterior wall here. Perfect to block that west wind coming in. And Any thoughts on the bedrooms?
I love all of the amazing views from the bedrooms up here. I also love how this bedroom has some custom built-ins, but my favorite is this gorgeous bathroom. How can you not love this sitting area too? Look at those views.
All right, and so last but not least, I guess that leaves me with showing you the primary bedroom, which certainly does not disappoint. So huge sliding glass door that is, I'm going right past right now to the exterior. Lets in tons of natural light, and then super spacious, awesome, beautiful, luxurious, all the things. Primary bathroom, and then, like all the real estate listings say, imagine yourself waking up in the morning, sipping on coffee with these huge views. I mean, this room, this sitting room, it's just wrapped in huge windows all the way around. Absolutely incredible. Okay, so I wanted to give some more details on the property along with some final thoughts. Unfortunately, I ran out to another appointment and didn't have as much time as I'd like. So here I am, back at my house. So let's look at the details given in the listing description. The very first line says this: experience the best of West Atascadero living in this stunning Mediterranean-style dream home, complete with a classic clay tile roof, striking white stucco exterior, and breathtaking views of rolling hills from every window. So I'd say that this is a pretty darn accurate description. The white stucco is indeed pretty striking, and there are really good views from every room of the house. But moving on. The next line says, recently renovated from top to bottom with refined taste and luxurious finishes. This home is unlike any on the market. And I agree. It's definitely a uniquely cool house. And next, the heart of the home is the chef's kitchen, outfitted with premium Z-Line appliances, including the show-stopping Z-Line Autograph Edition 48-inch range with a 7-burner gas cooktop, 2 electric ovens, a pot filler, and elegant gold accents. There's a custom wine bar, expansive walk-in pantry, large custom island, and dramatic standout designer lighting, making this kitchen as functional as it is beautiful. Perfect for entertaining and everyday living. The open concept vaulted ceiling combination dining and living room is anchored by massive windows and French doors that frame the sweeping views and surrounding park-like landscaping. With high ceilings and natural light throughout the living space, your home will be a destination for seeking a quiet and inspiring oasis in the hills. Now I think this really does a great job of capturing the feel of the house right when you walk through the front door. It really does feel like it would be a great combination for everyday lifestyle and entertaining. The house is positioned really well to take in the view, and it feels like every direction that you look, there's either more glass or some other architectural or design feature to take in. Okay, the next section. Passing underneath the 2-story chandelier, you will enter the first floor primary suite, which is truly a private sanctuary and includes 2 separate walk-in closets. The primary bedroom also features a full annex, perfect for a home office with a view, a cozy reading nook, or a nursery. The spa-like ensuite bathroom offers pure indulgence with dual vanities, a luxurious soaking tub, and a stunning black marble walk-in shower crowned with a warm cedar ceiling. Now this really is a neat space. It really is. And I would add that I really appreciate how it's separated from the rest of the downstairs living space, just enough to feel nice and private. The square footage of the house isn't massive at 2,800, but it's enough to give that desired feel of separation where it's needed. Then, the next part of the description. Step outside to soak in the epic scenery from the covered patio, private upstairs balcony, or your backyard oasis. A brand new barbecue and hot tub are included, ready for summer entertaining under the stars. With more than an acre of land, The roaming deer and local butterflies will greet you as you enjoy the fountains and tiled patios. Recent upgrades include a freshly sealed driveway, repainted floor in the spacious two-car garage, full interior and exterior paint, stylish new engineered flooring throughout, and custom landscaping, including refreshed exterior lighting. Every inch of this Mediterranean masterpiece has been carefully curated with exquisite taste and impactful features. And that's pretty darn accurate, I'd say. It's a great house and a great property, and I think it's priced well at $1.2749. And if that's in your price range, and you like what you're seeing and hearing, I definitely recommend taking a look. Please do reach out, and I'll be happy to book a private tour with you. And I'll see you in the next video.